Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Ford Transit radio code. First, you'll need to find your radio's unique serial number. This number is usually on a sticker on the radio itself, so you might need to carefully remove the unit from the dashboard. Make sure to write down the full serial number, as it's essential for the next steps. Once you have your serial number, there are a few ways to retrieve the code. Many online code generators can provide it instantly after you input the serial number. Alternatively, your local Ford dealership can help. Just provide them with your vehicle identification number and the radio's serial number. Sometimes, the code is even written in your owner's manual. After successfully retrieving your 4-digit radio code, it's time to enter it. Turn on your radio and it should display code or enter code. Use the radio's preset buttons, typically numbers 1 through 4, to input each digit of your code. Once all 4 digits are entered, press the confirmation button, usually button 5 or OK, to unlock your radio. If your radio doesn't unlock, don't worry. Sometimes, entering an incorrect code can temporarily lock the unit, often for about 1 hour. Just double-check your serial number and the code you're entering. If you continue to face difficulties, it's always a good idea to consult a Ford service center for professional assistance. They can help ensure your radio is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.